These are the elevators here at the Hampton Inn and Suites here in Green River, Wyoming.
But I remember I missed the Tonka trucks. The real one, not the black ones. I like the metal one. One destroyed my life. County, and then we have to order it online.
And I had my leg hanging down because I was on the back. On the right, he drove over a hole that had a big Tonka truck in it, and it ripped all the way down to the bone on this leg, so I had this big scar on my leg. Yeah.
No, I lived the childhood because my dad was a construction worker. I got that. And we had a manhole, big, that was my fort. Like, if we go down to the river, we had a fort, this big man in the backyard, and it had little holes.
Finally, here it is.
All right, are we down here rolling?
Going out. Yep, the World Series vibes. Well, that was a massive jolt. Look, a horse. Let's go down to one.
Are we still open for breakfast?
Yes, 6 to 10.
Okay.
Going back upstairs. There we go.
Move it out a minute.
Jeez. Not the best elevators here. 2,500. Sounds like it's getting a little bit low on oil.
Cool.
Some rocks. Waiting a while. Don't be surprised if the elevator doesn't show up. Yep.
Help you?
Yeah, help him out. There we go.
There you go.
Thank you very
Look
much.
at that.
It's all yours.
Alright.
There we
Have a good
go.
night.
Well,
Yeah, the other one's broken.
yep, must be. So we'll take this back down to one. 2,500 pounds. And we'll stop at 3.
Whoops.
This is
Going down.
Yeah, we're going
Sorry.
down.
Down.
Yep, we're going down. Whoop. It's like somebody's going swimming.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Get out this thing. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.